Okay, so here we're looking at how we organise information when we want to do a report of some sort, to give people information. And what we were doing today was looking at a problem, the cause of the problem, the effects that it could have, and the solutions that we want to give. And the text we used had all this different information. It had ways of organising information with words like firstly, then secondly, then finally, and in conclusion words and things like that. It has words of how to add more information by using words like also, or even more important is this, or as well as, I want to do this as well as this. Lots of ways of doing, look, in addition, adding more information. Showing contrast, we've got lots of contrast words which we'll look at again next week. But, although, even though, however, all different contrast words that we use. We give reasons. We say one of the main reasons or one of the main causes of a problem is this. Look at how many different ways we have of introducing examples. For example, e.g., i.e., for instance, such as, loads of different ways of doing it. And finally, when we want to show the result of an action, we'll use as a result or as a result of. Next week, we're going to add a little bit more to this board. We also do a little bit of new vocabulary, and this was really important because we did quite a detailed piece of work today, and without knowing this stuff, Bogomil, could you be quiet and just pay attention just for a minute, Bogomil, okay? Just so it's quiet for the video, thanks. It's really important to learn all the different words that we're using. So, here are some of the words we're using. Oh dear, she started. Here are some of the words we're using. Premature is something not developed yet, or something that's too early. We use it for children, like if you're prematurely born. Oh gosh, Chris, calm down, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Breathe, it's going to be okay. A decade is 10 years. Increase, the opposite is decrease. Increase is to grow, to rise, to go up. What have I done? Decrease is to go down. Okay, I'm going to get through this. A lack, we've done this 3 times in a row now, Chris. If you have a lack, it means you don't have enough. Something is missing. If you're concerned about something, you're worried. If something's inappropriate, it's wrong or inadequate. I really like that word. Now, rarely is an adverb of frequency that means not often or hardly ever. Remember, seldom is an advanced word that we sometimes use. Should and ought to are synonyms of each other. That's another advanced word that we use. Minor means small and major means big. Now, bullying, we talked about bullying today, and this was really important. To bully is to use rude or bad words to make the person feel very bad, or to use violence to hurt somebody. You threaten people when you bully them. It's a really important word because we can emotionally bully people, we can cyber bully them. It's really important, especially if you're a parent or a carer of children. To respond is to answer. Integral means essential. To ban means to prohibit or to stop or prevent. And I missed one. Could somebody please give me another word for influence? Anybody? Influence.
Affect.
Affect, I like it. Anything more? Anything more than affect?
Favour.
Sorry?
Favour.
Favour, not quite. Persuade, thank you, and I really like that one. We did this one on the intermediate group this week, so thank you for remembering that. Persuade, or sometimes to encourage is another good one as well. Great stuff. Thank you very much, guys.